Good morning, everybody. I'm going to do a what they call that ghost swipe today, an acrylic ghost swipe. So I'm going to cover my canvas with white paint. Mine is Flow Acrylic by Artist Loft, mixed with Floetrol. Then I have a Pool Blue that is by Apple Barrel, mixed with Floetrol. Turquoise that is Artist Loft, bright aqua green Artist Loft, and a light magenta purple that is by Simply Acrylic. And then I also have Deco Art Metallics Gold that I'm going to use in my swipe. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas with the white paint, and then we'll get started. Okay, I have my canvas covered in my white paint, and I'm going to apply my other colors, and then I'm going to swipe them with just these paint cards you can get at the store. They make a really good swiping tool because they're a little stiff, more like a thick cardstock paper. Already that looks pretty. Get my paper towel here to wipe off my paint card. Those are some pretty colors. And I kind of dragged my card to where it touched right here, but you could fix that right up. Just put a little white on there. Kind of push it right off. should self-level, so that kind of fix that area. So you can fix your mistakes, see? And to some it might not be a mistake. It might be something that you're going for. It's all in the eye of the beholder. As soon as my card starts getting just a little curved, I switch to a new one or flip it over. This one's actually bent there. That might make something funky happen. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty. I'm loving the contrast of the gold and the magenta. Really pretty. This might actually be easier to do standing because you'll get a better visual looking down on it so that you're pulling your card down straight and not off to the side somewhat. Just don't want that one. There we go. I'm going to get some small pieces now and do some smaller swipes somewhere in there for a bit of a different effect. I like that. Let's see what we get when we turn it around first. I've done one of these that was 12 by 36 long, and trying to turn it around to do the other side was quite tricky. Okay. Let's start with a new, fresh card. I like that, but I want to fix this here. There we go. See what happened there? My card kind of skipped. So we're gonna just go back over that, try to fix that. And it's proving more difficult to fix, so let's try a smaller one. There we go. Just gonna get a new card. Something with that one is weird. You can just pick these up at Walmart, in the paint section. Make a great swipe. Wipe your card off in between each one, otherwise you'll be dragging your paint through again and muddying up the colors. Now see, I want a little bit more magenta in here. It's disappeared, so I'm going to just go ahead and add some. Very pretty. That's pretty. Okay. I'm just going to kind of go in here and see where else I might want to break things up a bit. I like that, though. I don't know if I want to mess with that too much. Maybe right in here. And I have a few areas I want to fix right here. Stick. Okay. I'm really liking that. And just stand back and look and see where you might want to embellish it a little bit more. But I'm really liking what I've got going on here. And turn it around. Look at it from another angle again. See what I think of it that way. Now that's really beautiful. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to take my heat gun to it. I'm gonna pause, go wash my hands, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. My lighting's playing with it a little bit, but it's gorgeous. If you can see that gold and that magenta together, it's got some beautiful cells popping up. So give it a try. It's a lot of fun. This is the one that I did the other day. That was so big. I really like how that one turned out too. That was using a lot of metallics. The whole background was a pewter metallic. So that one's all varnished and ready to go to the gallery. Stay tuned for my next video. Take care, everyone.